Yeah, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be talking about one project which is YouTube sentiment analysis. So this project will basically help you to fetch one comment, whatever comment in brand name. There are so many channels in YouTube, right? So in YouTube, so whatever comments and a comment in Samsung's last video, there is I love Samsung. So the comment is positive. Sentiment analysis in the sense of what is this? This is actually sentiment means one is positive, one is negative, and one is neutral, as we for now. So by this we can just sentiment the score by using the comments, and like comments, if the comment is greater than we have set the one polarity like greater than 0, then it will be positive, or like sentiment neutral case is like if the comment is rating about 5 about 10 or 2 about 10, it's comment as a neutral. And if the polarity is greater than 0, then it will be marked as positive, and less than 0 it will be negative, like it can be -1 and 2. Okay, so basically it will generate a sentiment score out of 10, and so you can see the loop cases. And here I initialize the YouTube v3 API. YouTube v3 API, I'll show you further in the video like how to create the API and how to use in the code. Okay, so in this API you can see like YouTube v3, like you can just use the YouTube feature in your application. So here is the application. My application is sentiment analysis, so I'm using the YouTube v3 API. And here you can see I initialize the YouTube API. You can see I can show you the how to create the API. And here is the brand name. I can enter the brand name. This is the prompt, some prompt, and this is the basic code. And it will using the SMTP lib library in the Python, we can send the mail to the user. It can ask for the user Gmail, place a Gmail, and then it will send the actual output of the sentiment to the user so that they can understood easily. And so this is the all about the projects, and I can post the link of the projects and also code in this video. You can just use your code to your future projects. It's a really good project. So thank you guys, see you in the next video.